Hey guys, so this is where we left off in the last one. The kitchen's appeared, so we'll get these units sorted out and then we can start fitting the kitchen.
Thank you. Famous Armenians in the world after a certain TV family. Yeah.
We've got a few of them levelled up now. My top of the range electrical skills there. That's it, we've got all the doors on and I've been round and altered them all so they're all shutting and that okay. So all we're going to do now is put the cornice on and the pelmet. So that's what we're going to do next. That's it, we're going to floor a mop and we're finished. The tiles on the floor do look nicer than that. I like them when they're dry, but yeah. So we've been tidying up and we've given it a mop. But yeah, we're all done. I've just got to cut that plug into the unit on the fridge. But yeah, apart from that, we're pretty much done on this job. So yeah, hope you enjoyed it, guys. Hi guys, so I'm back home now. Hope you enjoyed that kitchen extension episodes. So next one is the garage. And I've just got a little spoiler for you. I've been there today and we've dug a test hole to see how deep these foundations are. And we've dug about 1200 and there's no foundations yet. And I've had a guy come out to see me from who's on site, because we're still building down at the bottom, and he says it's pretty deep. So yeah, I'll look forward to it. So tomorrow we're going to be getting a digger in. So yeah, it's all getting filmed. So guys, if you like my stuff, subscribe and like, and we'll see you in the next one. See you later.